one of the charts we have in our classroom for numbers. I didn't get to show you last week when it had number 1 things up, but I'm going to show you this week because it has number 2. Okay, so, let me back up a little bit so you can see the whole chart. It says all about 2. And then there's like a candy jar, and there's a piggy bank, and then there's the number 2, and then there's some addition sentences, and even a clock. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on this one. It says, how many? How many candies are in the jar? 1, 2. We have 2 cents. So these are 2 pennies, and pennies are worth 1 cent. So it's 1, 2 pennies. And then this is how you make the number 2. What's really cool is sometimes if you're having a hard time making the number 2, I will give this to you and hand it to you, and you can like trace it with your finger even. So you start right here and you make a rainbow slanted line backwards. And you can make something like this, or your parents can for you if you're really having a hard time making the number 2. And right here it says add it up. And it shows 2 stars, 1 here, and 1 here. And then it says 1 star plus 1 star equals 2. Because isn't that 2? 1 plus 1 is 2. And then over here, now we have 2 stars plus 0 stars is still 2. That still makes number 2. And we aren't going to learn telling time until a little bit later, but I just want to show you what the clock looks like. But this blue hand showing the hour, it's pointing to 2. And when this is pointing to 12, it means o'clock. So this says 2 o'clock. So it is 2 o'clock on this clock right here. All right, thanks for watching.